Hi, it's Kevin Martin. I am a proud member of the NGH, and I am thrilled to be going back to the convention again. Live! This is going to be great. And backed by popular demand, our 3-hour workshop, expanding your possibilities with quick and effective and impressive demos and techniques. Yes, it's going to be exciting, and this is something I love to do. And now I do this, I present this with my lovely wife, Brenda Martin, who is also a certified hypnotherapist, an NGH consulting therapist. Together, we have a lot of fun with this. And what we're doing is presenting you with some techniques and strategies that you can use in your practice every day. Not only that, these are really quick techniques, so you can use them as a demo. Wouldn't it be so cool if you could have someone up for a demo in just a few minutes time, they have given up a food that they loved and they no longer have any problems not eating it. Matter of fact, they may have a distaste for it in just a few minutes time in front of a whole audience. How about a limiting belief? How about shattering a limiting beliefs in just a couple minutes? How about helping someone create a new belief in just a couple minutes? How about someone who has a negative feeling? Maybe it's a feeling towards someone else or something else. And having that go away in just a few minutes in front of a crowd that can see the expressions on their face. Yes, all of this you will learn at a deep enough level that you can walk away and do this yourself. Come and see, come and enjoy, and it's worth the money. I know these multi-hour ones cost, but this is worth the money. And it's worth getting up Sunday morning at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to noontime. Many people who have attended this said it's the best of the whole weekend. Come and see for yourself. We'll have a lot of fun together.